Hisense, now on the occasion of CES 2019, have shown the latest iteration of its product that comes under the name of 4K Smart TriChroma Laser TV 100L17 and using X-Fusion laser light engine technology that combines 3 independent lasers to improve the intensity of color and achieve cover 100% of the DCI-P3 color space. We are facing the same concept of ultra-short throw projector plus rejection screen to ambient light that this time will be available in 2 sizes more than 100 inches, since according to the comments will come in 70 and 150 inches. It is based on a TI-DLP chip that allows an update rate of 32 microseconds to generate the 8.3 million pixels 4K resolution of the image, compatible with HDR10 and with a screen brightness of 350 nits, which should allow them to be used in rooms with some light, but not fully illuminated if we want to extract all the contrast from the equipment.